Hello and welcome to this instructional video on solving inequalities. In this video, we will be solving the inequality 2u plus 7 is greater than or equal to 13. We will walk through the steps to find the solution in both inequality and interval notation forms. Let's get started. To solve the inequality 2u plus 7 greater than or equal to 13, we need to isolate the variable u on one side of the inequality. To do this, we start by eliminating the constant term on the side with the variable. Here, the constant term is 7, and it is added to twice the value of u. Our first step is to subtract 7 from both sides of the inequality to get rid of the 7 on the left side. By doing this, we are keeping the inequality balanced, as we must perform the same operation on both sides. So we start with 2u plus 7 greater than or equal to 13. Subtract 7 from both sides. 2u plus 7 minus 7 greater than or equal to 13 minus 7. This simplifies to 2u greater than or equal to 6. In this step, we have updated the expression by removing the 7 on the left side, effectively isolating the term with the variable u, and reducing the right side. Our new inequality to work with is 2u greater than or equal to 6. Next, we will isolate u by dividing by the coefficient of u, but that will be in the following step. To isolate the variable u, we need to eliminate the coefficient multiplying u. The coefficient in this inequality is 2, meaning that u is multiplied by 2. To isolate u, we must perform the opposite operation of multiplication. The opposite of multiplying by 2 is dividing by 2. So we divide both sides of the inequality by 2 to keep our equation balanced. We take the inequality 2u greater than or equal to 6 and divide both the left side and the right side by 2. This looks like the following. 2u divided by 2 greater than or equal to 6 divided by 2. This simplifies to u greater than or equal to 3. At this point, we have successfully isolated u, and our inequality is now fully solved. The solution tells us that u must be greater than or equal to 3. In inequality form, the solution is u greater than or equal to 3. To write this solution in interval notation, we recognize that the variable u can take any value from 3 to positive infinity, including the value 3. In interval notation, this is written as square bracket 3, comma infinity round bracket. The square bracket indicates that 3 is included in the set of possible values for u, and the round bracket next to infinity indicates that infinity is not a specific number, but rather an unbounded limit. Therefore, the final solution to the inequality 2u plus 7 greater than or equal to 13 is u greater than or equal to 3. In interval notation, it is written as square bracket 3, comma infinity round bracket. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.